One task in, a full integration package out, live API research, production ServiceNow code, a deployment runbook, and an executive risk plan, planned, built in parallel by a task force of 5 AI agents, then review-gated and stamped go for production. All for a few dollars. This is the Agentic Workflow. Welcome back to Agentic Mastermind. Today, the Agentic Workflow, describe a task once, and a coordinated team of AI models plans it, splits it, builds it in parallel, and review-gates the result. Here's a real task, a complete ServiceNow to Jira bi-directional incident sync, live API research with cited sources, the outbound script include and business rule, an inbound scripted REST API with HMAC signature validation, a deployment runbook, and an executive risk and rollback plan. One prompt, run it. Claude Fable 5 is the orchestrator. It reads the requirements and decomposes them into role-tagged subtasks, research, code, tools, and bulk, then assigns each one to the model best suited for that kind of work. That's the task map. Who is working on what? Now watch the team work. In parallel, GPT-5.6 Sol digs through live web research. GLM 5.2 writes both ServiceNow artifacts. Grok 4.5 assembles the deployment runbook. Every row streams its own tokens, cost, and time. You are literally watching the bill tick in real time. When the specialists finish, Fable 5 merges every output into one deliverable, then review-gates its own team's work, correcting anything that isn't production grade. And there it is. The readiness gate says go, ready for production. Nothing ships without passing that gate. The receipts, every model call, every token, every cent, itemized live. The whole package came in under $10, and the cost by model chart shows exactly where each cent went. No black box. And here's what you actually get. One integration design package, architecture overview, the ES5 script include with retry and dead letter handling, the HMAC validated webhook receiver, a step-by-step deployment runbook with exact REST calls, and the executive risk and rollback plan. Researched, coded, and gated. That's the Agentic Workflow. One task, 5 AI agents, one production-ready package. Subscribe. Every module in SN Lab Code Copilot is getting one of these. See you in the next one.